guys. Sorry about that. Let me come back. And this is, if you ever want to make this recipe, this is the one that she got. This right here. Sorry about that. But yeah. And let me show you. See how the rye look inside. See that? Yeah, that's how they look inside.
Huh? What?
Yeah.
You're gonna give me the whole.
But yep, that's how it look.
I want to try.
And again, this is how it look
Yesterday.
when she finished everything. That's how it look in the pot. Okay. And that's her plate.
This longer.
Okay, just want to come back to show you guys that. Okay. Then I'll show you. I might add. I got some beef. I might cook some rice on the side and serve it with some. I'll show you guys later. Well, it's gonna be in this video as well. Okay. Yeah, it might be my first clip of it. Okay. All right. Bye bye. Well, you guys, I am back, and I had made my plate. What my daughter had made, some Indian food, and this I just put mine in a container. But if you guys keep watching this video, you guys could see how she made this Indian food. But this is mine. This is how it looked. And I added the beef with mine with the Lentil beans and stuff. And so what I did, I heated up in my sandwich bag just to, just to keep it warm. Okay. So yeah, this is how it look. And again, like I said, if you guys want to see how my daughter made this, just keep watching this video, okay? And you will see how she made it. And I did show her when she had hers on the plate. I did show, how she had it, But yeah, this is my dinner. I didn't have to cook. But I love Indian food, Ethiopian food and stuff. I really love their food. But anywho, yes. And this is what I'm drinking on, you guys. Yes. So now I know I got some of them pepper. The pepper is hot as crap. Yes, indeed. Very, very hot. But anyway, let me show you guys how usually they'll take the whole, and then you guys will see how it look real big, but I just broke some out. But anyway, I'm going to show you mostly what they do, how they do it. Let me just get some out of the bag. Let me pause it for a minute. Oh my gosh, I thought I would tape you guys. Oh my goodness. But anyway, they take a piece of this and then they'll put some of the lentil beans and whatever kind of meat they use. They don't have to use that, but yeah. You could use beef, pork, rib, and stuff, or whatever, that you desire. Okay? And I thought I was taping, but I guess I wasn't. But anyway, let me pause it for a minute. Okay, I just fold it up. And this is most of they eat it with their hand. Yes, they do. Kind of like African people, But, yeah. They eat it with their hand, but you guys get that first bite. I know it's coming out of the pot. And I'm going to see how this tastes. Yeah, you can still taste that vinegar. Let's see how it tastes with the bean. Yeah, you can kind of still taste it. I just wonder I need to go and go back because I have really um she doesn't have that vinegar, that sour taste to it because I haven't been there in a minute. But I just want to come back to show you guys my plate. But if you want to see, you know, how my daughter make this dish, I see what they do is they go like that. And then they just pick some up and pick some with the bean, kind of like how Africa do and stuff. The bean, this lentil bean, it's really good, but something about this right here tastes a little sour. And of course, this is real good as well. All right, so I just want to come back, and again, if you want to see how my daughter made this, just keep watching this video. But these right here, it's really good. The lentil bean. And I put in description about what kind of beef this is, okay? I don't, yeah. All right. I'm just finished eating, but just, again, just keep watching this video. All right? Bye-bye. Well, not bye-bye, just keep watching. That's the band. Just show this part of it. Take a screenshot. All right. Keep watching this video. About that. Okay, you guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. So my daughter is cooking this
Spiced lentils.
okay, and that's what all they look like rice that she got in it. But
It's
I guess
lentils.
it's yeah. But anyway, just showing you guys. Okay. So you guys, this is the season. That's why it look kind of red. This is the season that she used with the garlic. Go ahead. It's on your right. And really, you guys, this is the dish that she making, and that's what it's called. And then she did add an onion. Okay. Yeah, but that's what that is. Show you guys the picture. And this is how it kind of look with the picture. But she's not gonna do the salad. Only thing she's doing is the rice. Okay, but you can do rice.
Lentils.
Yeah, lentil. So she's not gonna do the salad part. And this right here, you guys, this is definitely a plus they use, and this is called flatbread. Yeah, so that's what she's gonna serve it with. You guys see that? She didn't know I was gonna come down here and kind of record here. but this is her dish. Yeah, and that's where she got it from, in Colorado. So she didn't order that. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so that's how they look. That's what they always serve this with on and stuff. But yeah, she got this at the market international.
It's been imported
You
from
know,
India.
it's this flatbread is very important from India.
Spongy bread.
Yes, it does. Huh?
It's a spongy bread.
Yeah. But I don't know, you guys. This right here just really scared me. This little old hole. Not scare me, but it just looked creepy. That bread looked very creepy. And you guys, this is the ingredients y'all want to go by. She did use all this ingredient for the sauce, right?
Yep,
Yeah, she used all that except which one you didn't use?
the one I can't pronounce.
Yeah, this.
It starts with a B.
Look,
That's
this
the
is
main
one
ingredient,
right
but you
here
can't use
that she couldn't pronounce. That where it say 4 teaspoons and it's spelled Bere spices, some kind of little spice they use. But yeah, that's the ingredient. But all the rest of the ingredients she used. Okay. So I don't want y'all to say, well, what? How did she make? What's the season? What's the ingredient? But that is the ingredient. So okay, you guys. So this is the instruction. How you do? How you cook everything? Okay. And if you guys want to pause this video, you'd be more welcome to pause it. You know. So that's it. That's how you do everything. I like Indian food, you guys, but sometimes they have some spices that you could probably buy all they little spicy, you know, but
You can buy that at Walmart. They got that
right.
at Walmart.
But yeah, I'm just
Or you go to your local market.
right. You hear in the background? Okay. So that's how she did it. Okay, you guys, so that's how it looked when I took it out of the package. See?
May have to warm it
That's
up.
how it looked. Oh, you have to warm it up?
Well, yeah, because the bread is kind of cold. I don't even know how you warm it up, to be honest with you. I should.
And that's the finished progress. It looked good. It looked like the picture. She did. My daughter did great. Yeah, it looked like the picture.
Good day. Make sure
Yeah,
I ain't
yeah,
missing nothing.
Yeah, did great. Awesome. She like to cook this kind of food, you guys. Yeah, she does. All right, anyway, like this video, get this video thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Show them what my daughter cook on my cooking channel. And if this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. Thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you guys want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, make sure you guys keep your notification bell on. Again, thumb this video up and share with your friends and family. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, make sure you guys keep your notification bell on and you will see the next upload video. You will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. By that, I say you guys have a blessed day, be safe. And you know what, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and see how she set up her plate. Okay. All right. Okay, you guys. So this is how she putting everything together. Cause you can't cook side dishes with it. You saw the picture when it was a salad. So yeah. So she had this left over, you know. But yeah, and then what you do is you just break a little piece like here and just kind of like, you know, put it like that. Oh, this I just kind of
Yeah.
yeah. But yeah, so that's kind of way how it look when she missed to eat it, okay?
You remember that Ethiopian dish with that spongy bread?
Yeah. It wasn't the sour.
Okay, you guys. So, and then I will show you my plate when I make it, okay? So stay tuned. Bye-bye.
Was it sour?